Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the ancient Maya civilization. The Maya civilization, which flourished from 2000 before Common Era to 1500 Common Era, is one of the greatest and most mysterious civilizations in Central America. With magnificent cities, towering pyramids, and an intricate calendar system, the Maya achieved groundbreaking advances in science, astronomy, and architecture. However, the sudden decline of this civilization around 900 CE remains an unsolved mystery. The remnants of their cities still stand as impressive monuments to the creativity and intelligence of this ancient society. The Maya civilization, one of the greatest in Central America, began to flourish around 2000 BCE and reached its peak from 250 to 900 CE. During this period, the Maya built vast cities, most notably Tikal and Copan, renowned for their magnificent pyramids, temples, and palaces. These cities were centers of political, cultural, and religious life, and their complex urban planning, including canals and grand plazas, demonstrated the Mayas' advanced engineering skills. The Maya were also pioneers in the fields of astronomy, mathematics, and writing. Their complex calendar system and their ability to predict celestial events, such as solar and lunar eclipses, reflect their profound understanding of the cosmos. Through their hieroglyphic writing, the Maya recorded important historical events, religious practices, and royal genealogies, leaving a rich cultural legacy that continues to intrigue researchers and historians today. The Maya civilization was remarkable not only for its architectural advancements, but also for its incredible achievements in science and astronomy. The Maya were pioneers in studying celestial phenomena, particularly their ability to predict events like solar and lunar eclipses, something many other ancient civilizations could not do. They developed a highly complex calendar system with two main types: the Hab, used for solar cycles, and the Tzolk'in, used for sacred cycles, both of which were able to predict astronomical events with great precision. In addition, the Maya had an advanced mathematical system using the concept of zero in their calculations, making them the first civilization in history to employ this numeral. Their hieroglyphic writing was recorded on stone, codices, and architectural monuments, documenting their history, mythology, and significant events in Maya society. These achievements not only reflect their creativity, but also mark a profound legacy of intellectual and visionary understanding of the universe. Around 900 CE, a mysterious event occurred that led to the abandonment of many major Maya cities, including Tikal and Copan. Historians and archaeologists have yet to determine the exact cause of this decline, but several popular theories have emerged. One of the most widely accepted theories is that prolonged warfare between Maya cities weakened the civilization as resources were stretched thin and chaos spread. In addition, severe climate changes may have played a significant role in the decline. Prolonged droughts and shifts in climate likely reduced water supplies, impacting agriculture and leading to famine. Furthermore, the depletion of natural resources, particularly forests and arable land, weakened the economic foundation of the cities. These factors, combined with poor management and political instability, may have driven the Maya civilization to its collapse. Despite this, the fall of the Maya civilization remains one of the greatest mysteries in ancient history, and research into the precise causes of its decline continues to this day. Although the Maya civilization declined around 900 CE, its influence continues to endure to this day through the magnificent ruins left behind. Ancient cities like Tikal, Copan, and Palenque, though abandoned long ago, remain important archaeological sites, attracting researchers and visitors from around the world. The towering pyramids, grand temples, and intricately carved walls stand as clear evidence of the greatness of this civilization. Archaeologists have uncovered stone carvings and ancient codices that record the history, mythology, and significant events of Maya society. These remnants not only help us understand a complex civilization, but also serve as keys to unraveling legendary stories about the gods and great rulers. Furthermore, the exploration of abandoned cities has provided scientists with valuable data about the Maya way of life and the challenges they faced during their decline. While the Maya civilization may no longer exist, their ruins and archaeological discoveries continue to inspire and offer valuable lessons about intelligence, creativity, and the sustainability of societies. Although the Maya civilization left behind magnificent ruins, its decline remains an unsolved mystery. Archaeologists and historians continue to study and explore the ancient cities, stone carvings, and artifacts in hopes of uncovering more about the causes of its downfall. Despite numerous theories, the ultimate answer remains elusive. The remnants of the Maya civilization still hold many unanswered questions, and it may take much more time for humanity to fully explore these mysteries. Each new excavation and discovery opens up endless possibilities about a once thriving civilization, now only left with ruins and untold stories. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch our new videos.